a scooter which is a honking, coming in the wrong direction, honking without any reason. Just imagine. So this is the exact position how you would be sitting if you are in a Harley Davidson. Miss Burgman, you are really cute. You look so cute.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prachur Manaji and you are watching Automania. Today I am at Saiba Suzuki Durgapur to review the all new 2021 variant of the Suzuki Burgman BS6. So let's get started with the cinematics first. Starting with the looks, this scooter looks good. This scooter looks attractive. The moment you take this scooter out on the road, I'm sure people would be looking at you to find out what kind of scooter is this. The headlight is mounted in the frame and it's not in the conventional position of the handlebar. There is a windscreen which looks purposeful and looks beautiful as well. The indicators are way down below and the quality also looks really fine. This scooter is a Ride Connect edition, which means it has got Bluetooth connectivity features. The tail lamp looks slick and beautiful. It does go with the styling of the overall bike. The exhaust system, it well designed. The handlebar feels light because there is no headlight connected to this and there is no extra baggages towards it. So you would really feel light when you ride the bike out on the road, on the highways. Overall, if we look towards the scooter's profile, this profile perfectly matches. It doesn't go out of shape or out of proportion at any place. So I would say very good job done by Suzuki. Whereas the paint scheme looks beautiful. The matte finish looks immaculate, guys. Just look at it. The matte finish, the quality of the paint is so nice. It's hardly believable that it's a 125cc scooter. Well, this 4-stroke single-cylinder air-cooled engine with a 2-valve head displaces around 124cc of max volume, and when it comes to the power, it's 8.7 PS at 6,750 RPM, whereas the max torque lies at around 10 Newton meters at 5,500 RPM. This engine is fuel injected, and according to BS6 norms, this engine does comply with the new BS6 emission rules. Talking about luggage capacity, it's around 21 to 23 liters, guys, and you can carry a full-size helmet inside this scooter. Well, it's a very good add-on. Next is this charging port offered from Suzuki Burgman. Well, it comes handy when you're out of juice from your mobile phone. It helps you charge it in quick and in an accessible manner. And then there is the bottle holder of 1 liter. Well, these are the small features that help a scooter to become a segment breaking scooter than from a good scooter. So what do you think, guys? Well, let's talk about the tank capacity and the mileage. This scooter has a tank capacity of 5.5 liters and with a mileage of around 45 to 50 km to a liter, that does provide a very decent tank range considering it's a family scooter. With the ground clearance of around 780 mm and the weight of around 110 kgs, this scooter provides perfect balance between a lightweight and a very good handling scooter. Whereas I feel the seat height is little on the higher side, but as the scooter is very light, it is very easy and manageable. Coming to the tires, the front and the rear tires are both 100 section 1s and both are all wrapped around the black alloy wheels, which look absolutely magnificent and really very sporty. So very good job done by Suzuki in tires and wheels department. Coming to the brakes, this scooter does come with a front disc brake and the rear duty is done by the drum brakes, but there is no option for any kind of ABS in this segment. The Suzuki Burgman 125 gets Bluetooth connectivity as well, but that optional. In this category of scooters with these all kind of modern bells and whistles, that does appeal to the young and modern customers. I would say it's a really impressive prospect by Suzuki. Let's see how this bike performs on the road and go out for a ride review.
Instantly I'm liking it, especially the handles and the way it's not connected to any of the headlights or anything. It feels free and a lot lighter because there is no extra baggage of the headlight and the indicator like the other kind of other scooters are having. Yes, it's kind of cute. Brakes are good too, guys. Median torque, yes, that's what lacking. Let me just check for the low end ones. I feel there is a lag in the mid-range. Okay, yes, the low end is very good. Low end is punchy, but the mid-range is struggling. Oops, I guess there is some problem with the speedometer or something, because the speedometer is not working here. Okay, not a big deal. It's a test vehicle, so okay, no problem. Well, it's a very neatly laid speedometer. You get the speed, you get the fuel, the FI badge, the time, the battery voltage, which is a very interesting add-on into this package. It feels clean, guys. But I'm feeling a bit odd because the speedometer is reading 0 continuously. The suspension is okay. I won't say it's the best in the class. The front suspension is good, is really well sprung, but the rear suspension is kind of bit on the harder side. It's not too bad, but little bit of effort more in the suspension area for the Suzuki guys wouldn't have been a bad thing. The top end feels nice and the low end too, but the mid-range struggles. With a power of around 8 PS, definitely it's a scooter, so you won't expect power which will go out of the roof. You would get an average kind of power and performance. And the small windscreen, I don't know if it will serve a purpose, but definitely when you're at higher speeds, because the scooter will go around 100 to 105 kph at top speed. It's a new scooter, so I don't want to push it. So this scooter will go at around 100 to 105 kph. So at that speed, if it's an open highway and you have a crosswind, this windshield might help to cut the wind off from your face. There is another very nice add-on is this. You can keep your leg over here. You can stretch it, very nice and fair. And you can feel comfortable. It's like a Harley. Harley, you can stretch your legs and sit like this. So this is the exact position how you would be sitting if you are in a Harley Davidson. And Suzuki have decided to give this feature in their scooters, guys. It's a very small little add-on, but it does help if you're going for longer rides. It will definitely help you and will make you feel relaxed. Coming to Burgman, well, this is a nice scooter, very cute little scooter, and it's a maxi scooter exactly. It's a scooter which is a honking, coming in the wrong direction, honking without any reason. Just imagine. See, all are coming wrong side. It's a wrong side, man. You're not supposed to come like this. Seriously. Whatever. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you like the review of the Suzuki Burgman Street 125? Is this scooter worth it? And would you like to go for it? And if you have the scooter, what's your experience and how did you decide for the scooter? And just let me know in the comment section down below. If anybody is interested, do feel free to visit here and check out the scooters and bikes from their offerings. Good girl. I have something to tell you, Miss Burgman. You are really cute. You look so cute. Yes, you are cute.
Coming to the pricing, this scooter is offered at around 85,000. I think that offers a great value, providing its new features and the way it looks, the paint quality and the build quality of the scooter. It looks great, guys. Trust me. You have to visit any kind of showroom or take a test ride to believe your eyes what kind of quality Suzuki is offering with their scooters. Coming to the competition, the Suzuki Burgman is a stylish alternative to the company's Axis 125. Its maxi size does appeal to many customers, but there is a wholesome other scooters in the same segment, guys, with the likes of Hero Maestro Edge 125, TVS Ntorq 125, Yamaha RZ 125, and the Vespa VXL 125. So there is a hell lot of competition in front of them. I'm very sure Suzuki will live up to the expectations and fight with them head on. So now, let's talk about the pros and cons for the scooter. Well, I think it's a very comfortable bike with a very comfortable riding position. The performance is good, the LED headlamps is great, and it does give a very decent brightness onto the road at night time, and it does look good. And well, coming to the cons, there aren't many, but still I feel this scooter is just little bit expensive, and the price could have been 5,000 cheaper, so that would have given the perfect recipe for Suzuki with a mix of affordability, styling and performance. I think Suzuki missed a trick here and overpriced the scooter by just around 5,000 rupees. Well, another con which I feel is this fuel cap position. You have to get down, open your seat and then get access to the fuel tank. Well, it's a bit tricky. Suzuki could have given it on the outside and make it easy for the rider. So guys, it's time to end the video. How did you like the review for the Suzuki Burgman 125? Did you like it? Would you like to get one? Let me know in the comment section down below. And feel free to contact Saiba Suzuki in case you are interested in any kind of Suzuki vehicles. And as I always say, always wear a helmet when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prasun Banerjee. You're watching Automania, signing off. Tada!